Hi guys, welcome to this video or tutorial from Solid State, where I'm going to be talking about how to apply a tempered glass or plastic screen protector. Here I have a screen protector that is cracked, which is why I'm trying to replace it. If you have a mask, you can put it on to avoid basically dust getting on your screen. Now, it would be advised to turn off your phone as well, because that way the screen won't just turn on. And here are the things that usually come with a screen protector. If you have them, please use them, and if you don't, you can try to find alternatives around your house. Here, also these are squeegees, but if you don't have one, you can use something hard like a credit card or Lego blocks. Also, some screen protectors come with a installation tool, which is helpful, but most don't, so I'm not going to be using one. If you can, take off your case from your phone, because that will make it rock a bit more. Take off your old screen protector as well. Be careful not to cut yourself if it is tempered glass and it's cracked. This is a very tedious process, but also make sure not to touch the screen, because that will make oil residues go on the screen. If you had a screen protector before, just follow what I do, but if you didn't, you can also use one of the wet wipes to clean your screen first. Grease is the most problematic issue with applying screen protectors, so a alcohol wipe will be very effective. Now, as you can see, there's already some dust on my screen, but don't worry, we're not going to be using the alcohol wipes right now. We're going to be using some dust stickers. Here, just take one off if you have some and just apply it on your screen. And if you don't have dust stickers, do not use normal stickers, because that will leave adhesive residue on your screen. Rather, what you can do is just use a microfiber cloth and just wipe your screen extensively. And again, I'm not going to be using an installation tool, so I'll be doing this by hand. Take the protective layer thing off of your screen protector and hold it with one hand. Now pick up your phone, don't get it stuck on the table like I did, and just make sure that you don't touch the adhesive part. Take off the sticker and put it on the table. Now apply the screen protector on the phone really carefully, and don't actually stick it on just yet. You want to make sure it's placed well. As you can see here, it's a bit misaligned, so you can still nudge it a bit because it's not yet adhered. Once you think it is perfectly aligned, you can run your nail around the middle of the screen, and the screen protector will by itself stick to the phone. Pretty satisfying. Now, as you can see, there are some spots that did not stick itself onto the phone, and that's when the credit card, Lego piece, or squeegee comes in. You want to run it along the phone just to push the air bubbles out, not in, out. Make sure that's what you do. And also, of course, some spots will not be covered, but that's okay. It will disappear within minutes. Take out one of your wet wipes or alcohol wipes. If you don't have any, it's okay. You can use rubbing alcohol, or you can buy some from any store, basically. These are common household items. Now simply run this along the phone where the air bubbles are first, and once you're done, you can also run this along the edge of your phone. As you can see, it's already doing some progress at removing the bubbles, which is good. So just run it along all of the edges, and this will accelerate the process, because usually it's going to take around 1 to 2 days for the bubbles on the sides to disappear. With a rubbing alcohol wipe, it takes like 10 minutes. So just leave it there for a bit, give it a few taps, and check back in just a short while. It's still here, but that's okay, because remember, it's going to go away by itself just by leaving it there. Also, take out one of your microfiber wipes or something, and just clean the phone to see where the air bubbles are. That way you can be more precise in just removing the bubbles. Just leave your phone there for a bit, and come back shortly. Alright, for me, I spent around 10 minutes, and I'm back. Now, as you can see, look, it disappeared by itself because the alcohol actually evaporated. Now, once you unlock, you can go to a white screen and see how well you've aligned the screen protector onto your screen. If it's a iPhone 10 or a newer model, then you can see via the notch. Of course, you can go back in the tutorial and rewatch sections where I might have been a little fast, and also comment down below how this helped. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.